How to install theme in WordPress. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, then click on Themes. Here, you will see the themes currently installed on your site. To add a new theme, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. This will take you to the WordPress theme repository, where you can browse or search for themes by popularity, latest releases, or specific features. Once you find a theme you like, hover over its thumbnail to reveal options. Click Install, and once the installation is complete, click Activate to make the theme live on your site. After activating your theme, it's essential to configure its settings to match your desired layout and functionality. Many themes come with specific setup instructions, and you may need to install recommended plugins or import demo content to achieve the look you want. By following these steps, you can easily install and customize a theme that enhances your WordPress site.